Hi everybody, welcome to Carole's Art Room. I have an 8x8 canvas here. I'm painting over an old one. I'm going to do some orange and some teal. This is golden teal. This one is a Meaden apricot orange. It's a fluid paint. I have a discount code for the Meaden fluid paints in the description under my video. And I'm going to use some, I think I'll put some gold next. Amsterdam light and dark deep gold. This one is phthalo turquoise. And this is another Meaden wine red and some PBO orange together. Activator. I think I'm going to use a mini blower this time. Oxide black and an Australian Floetrol cell activator. That looks pretty. All right, let's give it a spin. Check the description out of my video and the drop down. Just hit the title and you'll get a drop down and you'll see some discount codes for a few things, especially the Sheleeart bloom technique for 15% discount with my code that you use. For a few other things in there. Lowly Duffy, Meaden. Oh, that's pretty. So I did orange and browns and golds. I did just a lot of different oranges. This was orange and turquoise. And I wonder what orange and purple would be like. Would be awesome. I wish I want to leave some of this negative space. It looks so pretty. There, I think I like it just like this. I think I'm going to dry this one slowly with a box over top of it. That way it'll dry slow and nothing should move, hopefully, as long as it's level. It's not moving that much in the middle. All right, I think I'm done. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. And fingers crossed, it stays like this. I love the negative space. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carole's Art Room, and please subscribe and hit that bell. You'll be notified when I do a new video. And give me a thumbs up. It all helps my channel grow. Thank you. Hi, everybody. Well, this is dry, but unfortunately, I left too much paint in the middle. And this is what happens. It moved. Well, it depends if you like that or not, but I love everything else except the middle. Anyway, that's what happens. So I need to spin more off, but I was trying to keep negative space, so that's why. Anyways, I'm gonna try another one. Have a great day and come back to Carol's Art Room.